how to add money to PandaBuy balance. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. First of all, you will have to open up your account of PandaBuy and log into this particular account. After that, click on this option of your profile and then click on this option of user center. And here, when you scroll down, you will be able to find this option of wallet. Just click on it. And here, you can see that there is an option of top up. Just click on it. And here you need to type the amount that you want to add. Suppose I want to add 500 CNY. So that's particularly $74.85. So I will just select it and click on confirm. After that, wait for it to load. And now you can select various methods that you can use in order to add this particular balance. You can use either your PayPal balance, credit card, and some more options are there. Just simply use any of the option and click on this option of confirm payment. And this way you would be able to add this particular payment. But also see that there is around $3.19 of handling fee, which is basically they are charging this particular fee. So in order to add $74.85, I will have to add 78.04. And this way I will be able to add money to my PandaBuy balance. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.